Rubbermaid Commercial Products introduces a revolutionary new technology to air care, the Microburst 3000, powered by the LumeCel rechargeable energy system. Open the dispenser by inserting the key into the lock tab on the right side of the dispenser. Pull the cover forward while applying slight pressure to the LCD screen. If you would prefer the use of the push button, you can replace the lock button by pinching the bottom tab of lock button and pulling it out of the slot. Then insert the new push button. For optimum performance, position the dispenser at a minimum height of 7 feet in a lighted area with a lux level of 300 or more. To screw mount, open the dispenser and mark screw holes using a pencil. Drill holes using a 1/4 inch bit for anchors or a 1/8 inch bit for screws. If you choose to use anchors, insert the anchors before moving forward. Insert the top screw and hang the dispenser. Secure the dispenser with the bottom screw and connect the wires to the energy cell. To finish installation, insert the refill and close the cover. For more information, visit www.rubbermaidcommercial.com.